Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bing Webmaster Tools to monitor crawl errors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Bing Webmaster Tools and monitor crawl errors, you first need to visit the Bing Webmaster Tools website. Create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Microsoft account. Once logged in, click on the Add a Site button. Enter your website URL in the provided field. After entering your URL, select the verification method. You can choose between using an HTML file upload, a meta tag, or DNS verification. If you choose HTML file upload, download the verification file and upload it to the root directory of your website. If you select meta tag, copy the tag provided and paste it into the head section of your website's HTML. For DNS verification, add the TXT record given to your domain's DNS settings. After completing your chosen verification method, return to Bing Webmaster Tools and click the Verify button. Once your site is verified, you'll be directed to the site dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Health and then select Crawl Control. Here, you can monitor any crawl errors Bing encounters. To view specific errors, click on Crawl Errors. You'll see a list of errors categorized by types, such as DNS errors, server errors. Click on each error type for more detailed information. Use this information to address any issues affecting your site's visibility in Bing search results. Regularly check this section to stay updated on crawl issues. This will help ensure that your website runs smoothly and remains accessible to users. With these steps, you're now set up to monitor crawl errors using Bing Webmaster Tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.